Ape's Great Escape by Russell Punter. Ape's in chains for stealing grapes, but he has planned a great escape. The guards won't see me flee this jail. My plan's so grand, it just can't fail. This key I made will set me free. He bends the bars, then jumps. Whoopee! His landing doesn't go to plan. He falls slap bang into a can. I'll use those stones to cross the lake, but Ape has made a great mistake. The stones are really dozing crocs. Ape screams and hollers. What a shock! I've reached the jungle, I'm okay, but a steamy swamp lies in the way. I'll swing across on this thick vine, one easy leap and I'll be fine. Wrong once more, for it's a snake. His hissing fit makes poor Ape quake. Soon the mountains are in view. I'm nearly home, cheers Ape. Woo-hoo! But silly Ape's loud yell of hope brings boulders rolling down the slope. At last Ape makes it to his cave. I'm home, gasps Ape. Now I am safe. Come out! Come out! Ape gives a frown. The prison guards have tracked him down. My plan was good. Why did it fail? You stood in paint and left a trail.